Yoga for desk workers, your path to a stress-free life. Are you a desk jockey battling back pain, eye strain, and stress? You're not alone. Countless individuals spend their days hunched over computers, experiencing the toll of sedentary work. But fear not. Yoga offers a powerful antidote to these discomforts. Let's explore how this ancient practice can transform your desk-bound life. The desk job dilemma. Sedentary lifestyles, characterized by prolonged sitting, can lead to a host of health issues. Common complaints include chronic pain, backaches, neck stiffness, and shoulder tension, eye strain, blurred vision, headaches, and dry eyes from excessive screen time.
Enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.
Mental fatigue, stress, anxiety, and decreased focus due to work pressures. Digestive problems, irregular bowel movements, and bloating from inactivity. Yoga, your body and mind's best friend. Yoga, with its blend of physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation, offers a holistic approach to well-being. Let's see how it can address the challenges of desk life. Pain relief. Yoga postures, asanas, improve flexibility, strengthen core muscles, and align the spine, alleviating back and neck pain. Eye relaxation. Specific eye exercises within yoga practice can soothe tired eyes and reduce strain. Stress reduction. Meditation and deep breathing techniques calm the mind, lower anxiety, and enhance focus. Digestive improvement. Gentle twists and forward folds stimulate digestion and relieve discomfort. Easy yoga poses for desk warriors. Incorporating these simple poses into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Tadasana, mountain pose, improves posture and balance. Trikonasana, triangle pose, stretches the spine, legs, and chest. Bhujangasana, cobra pose, strengthens the back and improves flexibility. Shashankasana, hare pose, relaxes the neck and shoulders. Shavasana, corpse pose, promotes deep relaxation and stress relief. Tips for a successful yoga practice. Start slow and steady. Begin with a few minutes of practice daily and gradually increase duration. Find a comfortable space. Create a quiet and clutter-free area for your yoga sessions. Wear loose clothing. Opt for comfortable attire that allows unrestricted movement. Seek guidance. Consider attending yoga classes or watching online tutorials for proper alignment. Remember, consistency is key. Even short yoga sessions can yield remarkable benefits. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you'll not only alleviate the physical discomforts of desk work, but also cultivate a calmer, more focused mind. So, roll out your mat and embark on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Disclaimer: while yoga offers numerous benefits, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen.